It's winter now, and 1 year, full year passed with Wooden Logos, my channel, and it was a good one for me. I had a plan to do 55 videos, and I made it, and I crossed the 1,000 subscribers, which made me very happy. And in this video I'm going to talk about the goals for the next year. I'm going to show you my shop, my tools, and tell you a bit about myself. So let's go.
And this is Mickey. So cute.
Also, I like running and cycling. And this is my balcony. That's my mountain bike, road bike, GT bike. Let's go running. I find running a very empowering hobby, enjoyable and satisfying. I try to run at least 3 times a week. So I started running a few years ago. I did 7 marathons, like 10 ultras, including 100k and 100 miles. Few triathlons, did 1 Ironman. When I run in the city, I can find like good pieces of wood that later I can make projects with. I also been traveling the world for a few years, visited 100 countries. And as you can see, I cannot go in to the little shop space, so I need to take these carts out, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Yeah, so this is it, and this is the floor space. (160 centimeters), 110. It's very small, as you can see. It's very small. The electricity outside is running like that. One of the first tools I bought was the bandsaw, which is the cheapest bandsaw available, and it's quite cheap, and the blades is really thin, but it's very good for my kind of art, I guess. The bandsaw is powerful enough for me. And then I had the drill press, which is, again, it's the cheapest, but it's also very good for me. And then sanding tools. So I built this myself. It's about 100 watts, like cheap lathe thing, and it's okay. I use it a lot. Then I got this one, which is a belt sander with a disc sander, and it's also the cheapest I found. And I like it, it's okay, it's doing the job. And I have like a mini lathe here. I'm not using it a lot because it's quite weak, but it's here, so yeah. And lately I got this miter saw, also the cheapest, but it's okay. And I have more like table tools, I have the spindle sander right here. This tool is not a must, but it's very helpful when you need to do inside curves, and I use it quite often. And the scroll saw is also the cheapest. It's not so good, but it's doing the job. I still have the pins blades here, which is quite bad, but it's working. And I have some hand tools. I have my impact driver, which is a Bosch, and I have this handheld sander. You can see it in many videos. It's very useful. And this is another drill, with a cord, much more powerful. And I have a Dremel, the Dremel piece here. It's hanging here, and a multi-tool. I don't know what's the exact name. It's like vibrating, and a jigsaw, and like a blower to clean my shop. I don't have vacuum here. It's all open from both sides, so the air just takes the dust out, and I don't need to clean much. And I have some more tool. This is like a handheld belt sander, very aggressive for me. I'm not using it a lot. I have this here, it's a disc saw, and I screw it down here to make it like a table saw, but it's very dangerous, so I never used it. Two more tools that I have. This is my router. It's actually a brand new one. I just bought it. I don't know how it is. It's okay. It's also a very cheap one, and it's another sander, like a vibrating plate sander. I'm not sure what the exact name for that. This is like a mini shop tour. It's not a full shop tour, and maybe I will make a video with more details. And I know it was a very long video, but after 1 year I thought this would be nice to know each other. Let's talk a little bit about the goals that I want to achieve this year. So last year was a 55 video year, and it was quite intense to make it. It was at least 10 hours a week, and I managed to achieve that. But this week I would like to make between 15 to 20 videos, and hopefully I can keep growing and keep having fun, because fun is the #1 reason I started this channel. And I'm not a professional video editing, I'm a PE teacher. I found it really nice to play with woodworking and editing videos and uploading them and sharing, and I hope you like it too. So thank you very much for subscribing, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and let's hope for a better year. See you.